Good morning. Okay, so it's been quite a few days since I've put up a video, and the reason is I've been trying to edit it and crop it together and fast forward parts because the video was 54 minutes long. So it's still a work in progress and it still hasn't gone up, which slightly frustrates me. But learning a few things is taking a little bit longer than I had expected. So today we're just gonna throw this up. I just wanted to show you really quickly the video that I've been working on is this one with the gold leafing. So stay tuned to my channel. Hopefully I'll have it up and running in the next day. So we are going to do a straight pour, and the colors I'm using are Art Mine's Cleopatra, which is right here. My Floetrol was a little thin, so I added a little extra paint. I would probably say that's actually equal parts paint and Floetrol, and go from there. This is decoart Americana Metallics, and then I added a little bit of pink tourmaline to it to help thicken up the Floetrol, because I don't know why, but my Floetrol is thin. It happens, we all know. So that is there. This one is Prussian blue. It's mostly navy metallic by Ceramcoat. It's the whole bottle with about 2 ounces of Floetrol, and then I added about a ½ ounce of Prussian blue to it, and it's Liquitex Prussian blue. This also is Prussian blue. It's straight Prussian blue from Liquitex Basics, mixed, I'd say about, I don't even know, like 2 ounces of paint to about 6 ounces of Floetrol, so 3 to 1, if I did the math correct. And this is the decoart Extreme Sheen Gold mixed. I'd say, oh my gosh, because my Floetrol's off, so I really had to make it thick until the stick stood up on its own, and it created a mound on a mound. So I can't even tell you, it was very frustrating. My white, I did mix 2 to 1. It leaves a mound on a mound, and then I put in some satin enamels. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer up a cup, and we are going to go from there. So, all right. I'm gonna add a little bit of white to my bottom, and I'm gonna go right for the Cleopatra Gold. Right-handed, so I think I'm going to change my setup here to reflect, or not, maybe not, I don't know. snowing here today. It's gross. And then tomorrow it's supposed to be ridiculously warm and 63 and sunny and gorgeous. So Mother Nature is quite temperamental these days. All right, so I think that's all I'm gonna use. I have my layered cup. And I don't have my usual doggy piddle pads, and so I'm using, I think it's 6mm plastic that I have, and I love this stuff because I put it underneath all my paintings when they dry, and they come in a huge roll at Home Depot. And when the paint gets on it, I have it all over my dining room table to protect my table from any drippings from paintings after I do them. And you can also pour right on it, and I love it because sometimes I can keep some of the leftover dried bits. But in the meantime, I also have my LOLIVEFE silicone mat, which is amazing. It's very well used. And you can pick one up with a discount code below in the video description. Okay, so somebody asked to be brought in real close so they can see the pouring moment. So we're gonna do that. There we go. And we are going to pour. Don't need the water. All right. That's my coffee maker. So here is my cup. Just gonna put that to the side. And we're gonna give it a torch and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we are back. And I gave the puddle a torch. I'm gonna do another one. I also did the white around the painting so it was ready to be stretched to save a little time for y'all. So very cool. So here we go. All right, now I'm gonna just wait a second here. And I'm gonna give it another torch. Oh, thank goodness I have my other one. That one is almost out of butane. Lovely striped cells in here that I'm really liking. So I just mixed up my paints, so there's lots of air bubbles in there. You want to make sure that you torch them, but they also sometimes bring up some cells once you do that. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to try and keep my composition just as is. And then I'm going to come down here. Just so it kisses the edge. And back to middle. And I'm going to go this way. Oh, it's a little knot in the center. Hold on. There we go. Gotta keep your eye on the middle puddle area and so you don't lose it. Okay. It's getting heavy. I'm loving this area. It's gonna be hard to get that off without screwing it up. So now I'm gonna go over to this corner. I'm just gonna get it right to the corner and then I'm gonna pull back. And right over to this side. Okay. I'm gonna come down to this corner. So sometimes you gotta go real slow or sloth-like. I think I'm gonna stop right there. All right, just gonna rinse off my hands real quick because I don't want to play with it now. All right, and dry them off and then we'll bring you guys in. Be right back. All right, guys, here is the final resting piece. I'm loving all of these details. The outlining with the white against the berry and pink tourmaline mix is so cool. We've got some stripy cells in here. Looks like a nice little current or a riverbed. And then all of this in here. I wish I could get the right color. It's beautiful blue. These are so cool in here. They're like translucent cells. You can see the colors below it. And all these lines are just so cool. I love this. This one is really neat. And look at these. Oh boy. All right, guys. That is all for now. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more, this would be the time to do it. And if you'd like some notifications on my upcoming videos, make sure the bell is clicked and select all. You never know, sometimes YouTube changes things and resets things, and if you are a subscriber and you get notifications when I put up new videos, then I suppose the bell is fine, but double check the bell just in case. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.